Gardening is one of my favorite hobbies. Even though gardening is fun and exciting, it is very challenging. Some challenges include using upper body strength to dig through dirt, bending down and planting seeds or sprouted vegetables, and dealing with pests. One of the hardest parts of gardening is digging a hole for a seed or planting sprouted vegetables. I often have to dig a hole through thick roots, like this, and the roots are even thicker than this. And even when I dig a hole, the hole may not be the necessary depth. I used to only use a shovel, a hand rake, and a hand trowel to dig holes for plants. But thankfully, I discovered the hori knife. It has become one of my favorite and most used gardening tools. I purchased a low-cost hori knife from Amazon. This knife retails for $15.99. A hori knife is a Japanese gardening knife that acts as a digging tool. The knife has the following features: a sharp serrated saw edge for sawing and digging, a razor sharp cutting edge for cutting through roots and hard soil. The blade is rust resistant. It has a wooden handle for comfort when using, and gradation marks on the blade that function as a ruler to measure depth. It also has a carrying case to protect the knife from dulling. I have used the hori knife to cut roots and dig holes for spring vegetable plants such as tomatoes. I've used the hori knife to dig holes for winter vegetables such as green leaf lettuce. I have also used the knife to dig holes for seedlings and bulbs, remove weeds, and plant succulents. The hori knife is easy to use. It is easy to grip the wooden handle, and the knife makes gardening much easier. It takes less time to plant because the hori knife digs through hard topsoil that resembles this. Even in my raised flower beds with softer garden soil, I find the hori knife very effective. If you're a beginning gardener, an experienced gardener, or somewhere in the middle, I strongly recommend the hori knife. The knife is very beneficial because it cuts gardening time in half and it makes gardening fun.